Well guys, I'm building one of these amplifiers, these mini amps, mini PAs. I've put everything together here, and right now I'm just mounting it inside this computer power supply cabinet. And I just noticed I still got a lot to do with this, but right now I'm just building it. I've got all the parts mounted on the board. The connectors, I didn't bother to put the two connectors on because I'm going to run my coax directly to the board from the two SO239s right here. Just going straight to the board. Don't need them. And this side over here, still enough room there for connectors if I got to, or I'll do the same thing, run cable to them, whatever. There's a fan in this power supply, and it sits right above this, and it's definitely enough room. The PA board, got that mounted on a big chunk of copper, heatsink I had, and I also used another heatsink off an old power supply and mounted that to the copper, and use heatsink compound throughout. When I was building this, I did have a little problem with the short circuit on the power input. The ground and VCC were showing a dead short, and I removed the pins on the transistors. I removed the T1 inductor there. I went away with that one disconnected. But anyways, what I found out afterwards, you might notice that there's some proper, copper enamel wire there now. Before, the kit comes with this yellow Chinesium wire with a very shitty insulation apparently, because I had that wound around this inductor 3 times as the circuit called for, and that piece of Chinesium wire actually caused the dead short on the transformer here, which caused a dead short on the VCC and the ground. So I removed that old Chinesium wire and put a proper enameled wire in there, and problem solved. So yeah, if any of you guys are building this this mini PA, and I'd highly check for a short circuit across your ground and VCC when you wind the bigger inductor there, bigger coil, what does he call it? What one is that? T2. Yeah, T2. So yeah, anyway, just figured I'd throw this out there, and I'll let you know how this project works out. But so far, it's going inside the old computer power supply cabinet. There you go. Anyways, and there's lots of room for expansion and adding boards and whatever else I may need to put with this thing. Anyways, all the best. I'll let you know, I'll keep you updated on the amp, and if you want to know more about it, how I'm doing, then give me a comment below, and I'll do some more videos on this, or I'll keep you updated on what I'm doing with this, I should say. Anyway, folks, and by the way, I have 2 of these PA, 2 of these kits. So once I figures out how this one, properly goes together and works, then what I'll do, I'll take the other PA board and I'll go through step for step on how to do this one, or how to do it basically based on what I find with this one. Anyway, folks, all the best, and we'll chat in a bit, and we'll see how she goes. All the best. 7-3.